how are you? Welcome back to the next math session. I Miss Yogeshri, Countryside International School, your maths teacher. So today also we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is addition. Today we are going to start with story sums. In this you have to understand few stories and you have to hunt the answer. Yes, so let's begin. So we will continue with the same chapter addition, in which the next topic is story sums. Now, what is story sums? The sums are in the form of story in which you have to solve that particular problem. Now, here first sum is Karan bought a shirt for rupee 315. He spent rupees 650 to buy a pair of trousers. How much money did he spend in all? That means this story says that Karan is a boy who bought a shirt for rupees 350 and he spent rupees 650 to buy a pair of trousers. So how much money did he spend in all? That means we have to find the total amount. So what we will do, children, here? We will do the addition. Now, before solving the sums, we have to write few statements in the answer. So, the first statement in the answer is money spent on shirt. So, money spent on shirt is rupees 315. Then, money spent on trousers. So, how much money he spent on trouser? It is 6 rupees 615. Then total money spent, that we have to calculate. That means 315 plus 650, that we will do the addition. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So total how much money he spent in all? 965. So what will you write at last? You will write Karan spent rupee 965 in all. So like this you have to solve the story sums. Next example. In a cattle shed, there are 350 cows and 212 buffaloes. How many animals are there in the cattle shed? So, now in a cattle shed there are cows and buffaloes. So, you have to find the total number of animals in the cattle shed. So, for that, again we will start writing the statements first. So, first statements, number of cows in the cattle shed. So, how many cows are there? Yes, it is 350. Then, next statement, number of buffaloes in the cattle shed. So, how many buffaloes are there, children? 212. So, we have to find how many animals are there in the cattle shed. So, total number of animals. So, total number of animals 350 plus 212. We will add this. So, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, the last statement will be there are 562 animals in the cattle shed. Like this you have to solve the story sum. Here is a let's practice. Here solve the following story sums. Here I have given you two story sums which you have to solve. Now in first story sum, Kiran and Sasha went to a farm and picked 345 strawberries and 431 mulberries. how many berries did they pick in all? So this you have to solve. Now here 345 strawberries are given and 435 mulberries are given. So you have to find out the total number of berries they picked. So very simple children, I know you can do it. Yes. Second, there are 134 apples and 200 oranges in a fruit truck. So what you have to find here children, how many fruits are there in all? So 134 apples are there and 200 oranges are there. So you can find the total number of fruits in the truck. So like this you have to solve the story sums. Then goodbye. See you. Take care. Thank you.